Right, hello everybody. It's been a little while. Should have just seen the video of my new car. Well, one of the things I did to the car was install my old GID from the Astra. You can see the screen's been a little damaged, and I was a bit annoyed, but these things happen. But with luck would have it, one of my colleagues was scrapping his Zafira, and he has this. Now, for people that don't know, this is a CID, as in colour infotainment system display. So yeah, so I'm going to take the dash apart and talk you through it. It's quite easy really. You take out this, there's a screw here, there's a screw up there and a screw there, and then the whole thing just pulls out. So yeah, also got a Android stereo, not too bad, only 100 quid. So yeah, I'll be back in the mo once this is all apart. Right, so I've installed it and connected it up. Before I put it all back together, I'm going to make sure it works and program it, because it's possible it's not got the right programming, because it came from a higher spec. So may need to change a few settings. So yeah, but let's see if it actually works. Oh, Vauxhall. That seems to work. Right, so let's just check things and load up the Opcom. Might be able to change it so it looks a bit different as well. Obviously, you go into your car, you go into infotainment, and wait for it to load. Right. Check if there's any error codes. No communication with head unit. Well, it's because there isn't one. Okay, so need to change that setting so it knows there isn't one. Under hood electrical center, you have to change all these because it obviously thinks that these things are here. Well, mine doesn't have the rear electrical center. Shift lever module, no, mine doesn't have that. And anything else it does. Not present. Program. Okay, check the ICAM bus. Entertainment unit present. No, it's not. So program successfully. I don't think there's anything in there that needs to change. Nope. Set the time and date, always good. I think that's right. So program, push, date set. Right, let's have a look at the code variant. Entertainment unit. See what happens if I change it. Normally it restarts the display. There we go. So what's it do? It's only 2. Let's see if we can get it to go to 1. So I don't really need all the other things. So I think it's CD30 to make it do 1. No. Still the same. Oh well. Well, let's just check the code index. Or actually, let's see what code index we got back. We are 5005 space 03, which I think is the right one. I will check that, but for the moment that seems to be fine. See what the other things are. What we got? RGB test. What's this? I haven't done this one before. Must be new. Ooh, colours. Grayscale. That's going to make it black and white. Here we go. and chessboard or checkerboard. Ah. Yeah, so that all seems to be working fine. Measuring blocks. Anything in measuring blocks? Yeah, just bits and bobs. That seems to be working. So let's see if it all works. I'll put it back together properly. Right, I'll be back in a sec. Right, there you go. It's all put back and it's working. On the board computer you have your range and your instantaneous consumption. Now on the old screen, the GID, I had average consumption as well, but I've tried all the settings and I can't seem to find it unless there's something you need to change, like with the buttons that aren't on the stereo anymore. So I don't know, I have to look into that. Oh yeah, you get that on the radio. It doesn't show you like what the radio station's called because that stereo doesn't support it, which is rather strange. But anyway, I will say goodbye for now, and I will see you soon.